Journey channel.
We will discuss together about the life of the animal world, about all their habits and their life in nature. We will pack it in several facts that you may not know.
Welcome to the Tears of Journey channel. Hopefully all you guys are healthy always. This time we will talk about 10 interesting facts about animals that are very stunning, like in heaven. Here is the peacock, with all its grace and mystery.
Number 1. Species and name. Peafowls, commonly known as peacocks, belong to the pheasant family, Phasianidae. The term peacock is often used to describe the male, while peahen refers to the females, and peafowl covers both genders. Number 2. Colorful plumage. The male peacock is renowned for its vibrant and iridescent plumage. The large, fan-shaped tail feathers, known as the train, or tail covers, display a brilliant array of colors, including blue, green, gold, and bronze. Number 3. Courtship displays. During mating season, male peacocks perform elaborate courtship displays to attract peahens. The most famous display is the peacock's tail fanning, where the male raises and spreads his tail feathers into a magnificent fan, creating a stunning visual spectacle.
Number 4. Endemic to South Asia. Peafowls are native to South Asia and are found in countries like India, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Nepal, and Bangladesh. Due to their captivating appearance, they have also been introduced to other parts of the world. Number 5. Feeding habits. Peafowls are omnivores and have a diverse diet. They primarily eat seeds, grains, fruits, insects, and small reptiles. Their diet often depends on the availability of food in their natural habitat. Number 6. Longevity. In the wild, peafowls generally have a lifespan of about 20 to 30 years. However, in captivity, they can live longer, reaching up to 50 years due to better access to food and protection from predators.
Number 7. Dimorphism. Sexual dimorphism is prevalent in peafowls. Male and female peafowls have distinct physical characteristics. Males possess the extravagant plumage, while females have a more subdued appearance, with a mix of brown and green colors to blend into their surroundings and protect themselves and their chicks. Number 8. Roosting habits. Peafowls are arboreal birds, meaning they spend a significant amount of time perched on trees. At night, they prefer to roost high in trees to evade predators and sleep safely. Number 9. Loud calls. Peafowls are not silent birds. Males produce a distinctive loud call, commonly described as peacock screaming or meowing, especially during the breeding season. These calls serve to establish territory and attract potential mates. Number 10. Cultural significance. Peafowls hold cultural and religious significance in various societies. In Indian mythology and Hinduism, the peacock is associated with deities like Lord Krishna and goddess Saraswati, symbolizing beauty, wisdom, and love. They have also been depicted in various forms of art and literature, showcasing their enduring allure.
Those are 10 interesting facts that you might not know about peacocks.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Tears of Journey channel to stay updated with more captivating wildlife content. Thank you for watching and make nature smile.